Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be unboxing and testing Wavytalk's new VIP volume bundle. I'm especially excited to show you how I use their blowout boost tool to create this very bouncy salon style blowout right at home. This video is in partnership with Wavytalk and they are the official ambassadors for Coachella this year. And to celebrate, they created 3 different bundles that include some of their best-selling hair tools. One of the other bundles is the Power Wave Festival bundle, and that one includes the Power Wave. I did do a full review of this tool on my channel. I'm absolutely obsessed with this hair tool. I love how it crimps your hair. It really gives you those soft waves, and I think this is perfect for a Coachella. We also have the Streamline Pro Festival bundle. This one contains a hair steamer, and this one is supposed to create really sleek, smooth hair. And then we have the Blowout Boost Festival bundle, which is what I'm going to be unboxing and trying out today. So this is everything that's included in this set. It really has everything that you need to create the perfect blowout. We have the Blowout Boost tool and it comes in this beautiful festival color. The Blowout Boost Iconic Thermal Brush comes in this 1.5-inch barrel, and this shade is a limited edition for the festival bundle. In the bundle, it also includes a smooth barrier hair protectant spray, and this stuff smells amazing. We also have a keychain mirror brush. It does come as a keychain, and inside you have a mirror, and then you have a cute little brush. Like, how awesome is this? Especially if you're out and about. This is perfect to kind of just have in your bag, and you can just go ahead and clip it right on as a keychain. They also included a belt bag with the set. This really has everything that you need for the festival. This is what the belted bag looks like. So of course it does have a clip, and look at this shade, so pretty. And I love how it includes this braided type of zipper. Like, how cute is this? You can easily clip on the hairbrush as well. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. And the last thing that's included with the set is a cotton bandana and sectioning clips. So here are the sectioning clips. They are so helpful, especially if you have really thick hair like I do. They are perfect to clip your hair when you are styling. We also have this really cute bandana, and I actually use this to style my hair today. Cute ponytail, and added this. So that's everything that's included in the set. Now let me show you how I achieve this beautiful salon type of blowout using this hair tool. We are starting off with my natural hair. Now I did wash my hair last night and I just air dried it, and this is what my hair looks like. So let's smooth it out and create a beautiful blowout. Whenever I style my hair, I always section it in half first and just go ahead and style the bottom half. First, I'm going to apply some heat protectant. So I'm just going to go ahead and spray this. Oh, this smells amazing. It smells so good. Now turning on the tool, probably should plug this in first. So now let's turn on the tool. And I love that it includes a screen to show you the temperature, and you can go up and down in temperature as well. So I think I'm going to go with 330 to start off with, and then if I find I need more heat, then I'll go ahead and put it up. It's at temperature, so let's go ahead and style my hair. So I'm going to start off with this side. What I like to do first is to smooth out my hair. I do have natural waves to begin with. To create soft waves, I just go around and start at the root. The tool is so easy to kind of glide down for a little and just go around like so. And it creates beautiful soft curls in one easy swipe. Picking up another section, again, I am going to straighten. And really, you could just do this to your entire hair, just straighten it out. But let's go ahead and create another curl. So going around and just taking the tool and basically spinning it, and it does all the work for you. Just like so. Beautiful. Okay, now let's do the other side. Because I'm right-handed, I feel like this side is always easier for me. So taking the brush again, smoothing out. And then for this side, instead of going around my hair, it's just kind of taking it at the root right there and then twisting. And look at how easy that is. Love it. Taking another section, straightening, and then going around. I love that hair tools now just make it so easy to style your hair right at home, giving you a professional type of look. Like, how easy is this? One thing that I do want to mention is be careful when you are curling your hair to not add too much tension, or else the brush will not spin this way. So just make sure to go in to small sections and make sure to not add too much tension to your hair. For those of you that find it difficult to kind of go around your hair and twist, you can actually just go ahead and use this method and just twist it like so. Just makes it so much easier. Just like that. Yeah, this definitely makes it way easier to create curls, especially if you are unable to coordinate and go around your head. I think this is actually so much easier this way. For the top half, I am going to section my hair in two just to make it a little bit more easier for me to style. So we are sectioning half of my hair, and we are just going to style this part right here. Because I have bangs, I always like to keep them to the side and style them at the end. So using the same method, just straightening to start off with, and then going in at the root to create volume. Look at how easy this glides down, creating such beautiful soft curls. So that's one side all done. Now, before I brush them out, I am going to allow them to cool to hold their shape, and we're going to do the other side. Just spraying with some heat protectant. And then again, leaving just my bangs to the side. I am going to style those at the end. This is really so easy. I think this is going to be my go-to method to creating those soft curls that I absolutely love. Just how easy is that? Now let's style my bangs, and this makes it so easy to just style my bangs. So I just kind of go through like I normally do with a round brush and usually my hair dryer. But look at that. Especially if you have curtain bangs like I do, this makes it so easy to style. And just the other side makes it just super simple to style your bangs. And that is the Salon Style Blowout using Wavytalk's thermal brush. Look at how soft dimensional and shiny these waves are. This is truly perfect for Coachella or any festival for that matter. I know that personally this is going to be my go-to hair tool from now on to create these beautiful soft waves. This is my go-to hairstyle anyway, so this is just going to make it so much easier. Let's go ahead and create a look using this bandana. I just put my hair up in a ponytail, so I do want to style my bangs. Now let's put the bandana on. So I am going to fold it like so, and then just go ahead and tuck it in. And that is the style with the bandana. Like, how cute is this? This is perfect for the summer season. And I love these little curls that poke right through. So beautiful. I really love this tool. I think it creates such beautiful bouncy waves. You can even straighten your hair using it. It is just so easy to grab, brush your hair and go, especially if you have bangs like I do. I think you will love this tool. If you are interested in this tool, be sure to check out the volume bundle. I think this is a perfect way to get everything that you need to create a beautiful soft blowout for every day. And that's it for my review today. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you were interested in picking up one of these hair tools, I hope this video made it easier for you. If you are not subscribed to my channel, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell to get notified when I upload new videos. And if you are interested in any more of my videos, I will leave a couple more right here for you. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.